Hello, how are you today?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
What do you do for a living?
I work as a teacher.
What's your favorite hobby?
I love reading and traveling.
Excuse me, where is the nearest post office?
It's just around the corner.
Can you help me with this?
Sure, no problem.
What are you doing right now?
I'm just relaxing and watching TV.
Did you have a good weekend?
Yes, it was great. I went to the park.
What's the weather like today?
It's sunny and warm.
Where are you from?
I'm from America.
What time is it?
It's 2 o'clock.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza.
Have you seen this movie?
No, is it good?
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother.
What are you planning to do tomorrow?
I'm meeting some friends.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Do you like listening to music?
Yes, I love it.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music.
Do you have any pets?
No, I don't.
Where would you like to travel?
I'd love to visit Japan.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is spring.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I go to the gym.
What's the best book you've ever read?
My favorite book is The Alchemist.
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
I'm more of a night owl.
Do you have any allergies?
No, I don't.
What's the most interesting thing you've learned today?
I learned about a new culture.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I enjoy cooking.
What's your favorite cuisine?
My favorite cuisine is Italian.
What are you most grateful for?
I'm grateful for my family and friends.
How do you stay motivated?
I stay motivated by setting goals.
What's your dream job?
My dream job is to be a writer.
Do you have any fears?
Yes, I'm afraid of heights.
What's the best advice you've ever received?
The best advice is to be yourself.
Do you believe in love at first sight?
Yes, I do.
What's your favorite type of music?
I like all kinds.
Do you have any role models?
Yes, I do.
Who is your role model?
My role model is my mother.
What's the best day of your life?
The day I got married.
Do you have any regrets?
No, I don't.
What's your biggest accomplishment?
My biggest accomplishment is starting my own business.
Do you believe in fate?
Yes, I do.
What's your favorite type of book?
I like mystery novels.
Do you have any superstitions?
No, I don't.
What's the most beautiful place you've ever seen?
The most beautiful place I've seen is the Grand Canyon.
Do you have a good memory?
Yes, I do.
What's your favorite type of weather?
My favorite type of weather is sunny.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, I love dancing.
What's your favorite type of music to dance to?
I like pop music.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one sister.
What are you passionate about?
I'm passionate about helping others.
How do you define success?
I define success as achieving your goals.
What's your favorite quote?
My favorite quote is, "Be the change you wish to see in the world."
Do you have any hidden talents?
No, I don't.
What's the most adventurous thing you've ever done?
The most adventurous thing I've done is skydiving.
Do you have any phobias?
Yes, I'm afraid of spiders.
What's your favorite type of food?
I love Italian food.
Do you have any dreams?
Yes, I have many.
What's your dream?
My dream is to travel the world.
Do you believe in magic?
No, I don't.
What's the most beautiful language?
I think French is beautiful.
Do you have any superstitions?
No, I don't.
What's the most important thing in life?
The most important thing is love.
What's your favorite type of movie?
I like comedy movies.
What are you thankful for?
I'm thankful for everything.
How do you stay positive?
I stay positive by focusing on the good.
What's your dream vacation?
My dream vacation is a trip to the Maldives.